Now we can all go on summer holidays again. The decision is lash extensions versus lash lift. What are you going to go for this summer? As far as lash treatments are concerned, the very basic is a lash tint. That is just going to colour your natural lashes so they have more definition. But the next step up from that, some people go for lash extensions and some go for lash lifts. Let's talk about the difference. So a lash lift is your more natural option. It's going to use your natural hair, and instead of the hairs pointing in that direction, it's going to make them point up in that direction, making them look fuller, longer, and it also tints them so they look darker. Lash extensions, on the other hand, take an individual hair lash and stick it to your individual hair lash, and they build it up until you have the style that you want. There are lots of different lash extension styles. You discuss that with your lash tech. Timing, a lash lift takes 1 hour. Lash extensions normally take between 1 and 2 hours. Maintenance for a lash lift, there really isn't any. It's your natural lashes, and within 6 weeks the colour will fade and the shape will gradually go back to normal. For lash extensions, within 2 to 3 weeks you will require an infill if you want to maintain the lash extension. Lash extensions are applied to your natural hair and they need to be removed professionally. You can't just pull them off. It will take your natural hair off. Costs vary, but normally lash extensions are a little bit more expensive because they tend to take longer. And finally, a shout out to your strip and individual lashes that you can apply yourself. They need a little bit of practice, but if you just want a one-off lash boost, then that's the way to go. With all treatments, don't forget to patch test the products first before you use them. They're going on your eyes, you don't want any reactions.